Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to explain complex sentence focusing on adverb clause and adjective clause. I will also give example for each type and let's begin. Adverb clause. What is an adverb clause? An adverb clause is a dependent clause that functions like an adverb. It gives more information about time, reason, contrast, or condition. It cannot stand alone and usually begins with a subordinating conjunction, such as because, when, after, or even though. Difference between subordinating conjunction. Difference between after and once or as soon as. These conjunctions all show time but with different meaning. After simply show that one event happened later. For example, after I finished my homework, I went to sleep. Meanwhile, once or as soon as show that something happens immediately after the first event. For example, as soon as the rain stopped, the children ran outside. Difference between when and whenever. When refers to one specific time. For example, when I arrive, my dog barked. Whenever means any time or every time something happens. For example, whenever I feel stressed, I listen to music. Difference between when and by the time. When focus on the moment something happened. For example, when she called, I answered. And by the time means something was already complete earlier than another action. For example, by the time she called, I had already left. Difference between because and know that. Because introduces a reason. For example, I stayed home because I was sick. Know that also give a reason, but it shows a new situation or a recent change. For example, now that I have a car, I can travel more easily. Difference between even though and even if. Even though refers to real fact. For example, even though it was raining, we continue playing. Even if talks about a possible or imaginary situation. For example, I will go for a walk even if it rains later. Adjective clause. What is an adjective clause? An adjective clause is a dependent clause that describes a noun. It begins with a relative pronoun or a relative adverb, such as who, which, that, where, or when. It gives more information about the noun it follows. Function of relative pronouns and adverbs. Function of relative pronouns. Relative pronouns connect the clause to a noun. Who is used for people as the subject. For example, the student who won the contest is my friend. Whom is for people as the object. For example, the teacher whom we met was very kind. Which is for things. For example, the book which I bought is expensive. That is for people or a thing. For example, this is the laptop that I use every day. Whose used for show possession. For example, I meet a woman whose son studies abroad. Function of relative adverbs. Relative adverbs also connect clause. Where refers to a place. For example, this is the cafe where we first meet. When refers to time. For example, summer is the season when many people travel. And why refers to a reason. For example, do you know the reason why he left early? Essential and non-essential clause. An essential clause gives necessary information about a noun, so we don't use comma. A non-essential clause adds extra information, and we separate it with comma. Example for essential clause. The student who studies hard will pass the exam. And the house that has a blue roof is mine. These clauses are needed to identify which student or which house. Second one is non-essential clause. My sister who lives in Japan is visiting next month. And this laptop, which I bought in 2020, still works very well. This clause gives extra information, so we add comma. That's it, all my explanation about adverb clause and adjective clause. Thank you for watching, and I hope the examples help you understand the topic clearly.